Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I'm going to explain you how to make a square, make a circle for you. It's very simple. First we will put when flag is clicked right here, then we'll click here and put pen. Click, we have clicked. Now put eraser, then pen down. Then put repeat block. A repeat block and but change this value to 80 times. Then put another repeat block as I told you before in my before sketch video. Four again. This repeat block was before again. Then go to motion and put move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees. But change move 10 steps to 100 steps and turn 90 degrees. Then again put this turn, turn 15 degrees but not 15 degrees, 5 degrees. And then put change color effect by 25 and then change pen color by 10. Like this, it's so simple. Now let's try it. Whoa! It's these things are squares, but it's going round and round and it's making now a circle. Look, it has made a circle. And it stops when it has made a circle. Simple. It was so simple. Now conclusion. When the flag will be clicked here, this pen here, this color will be erased and then pen will be down. Then repeat 80 times. Repeat 4 times. Move from the steps and turn 90 degrees means turn 90 degrees is that's how it's moving like in a circle, and why it's moving so fast because of the move 100 steps. Then turn 5 degrees. Change color effect by 25 means that this sprite's color is changing. Look, this sprite's color is changing. And change color pen color by 10 means that this square is made by rainbow. Look, this pen is rainbow because of change pen color by 10. So simple. That was the conclusion. It was so simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.